Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished with guests and judges. This is Pretty Inka, your contestant number 6, proudly representing Inpui community. I'm from Nung Thek, Tamenglong district. Currently, I'm pursuing my BA second year at Don Bosco College, Maram. In my leisure time, I love dancing, painting, and reading novels. My mom always inspired me to take up challenges in every step of life, and so I aspire to become an army officer one day to serve for my community for peace and harmony. Thank you, have a great night!
Thank you. That's Preeti Inka from Noni, Tamenglong, contestant number 6.
Hello. A very good evening to each and every one of us present here tonight. Well, I'm your contestant number 7, King Hoining Thado, from a beautiful place, Modbung. I am 20 years old I am 20 years old. I love traveling, cooking, and exploring new things. My aim in life is to become a civil servant one day. Hoping to do my best tonight. Have a great evening. Thank you.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's Lil Honing Thadao from Modbung village.
Good evening, peoples of Snapti. I am Ngosane Kapamai, and I am 18 years of age. I am a daughter of a beautiful tribe, Pumai Naga, and an inhabitant of the beautiful and lofty hills of Hubakuman village. I am also a student of Manoras College, pursuing my Bachelorate of Arts as a pursuing my Bachelorate of Arts as an have a beautiful evening, and thank you and God bless you all.
Well, let's give it up for Miss Ngosane Kyapomai. She's from Phuba village.
Everyone, representing the Mao community and hailing from the historic village of Makhel, I am Asani Wilson Asoya, your contestant number 9. I am 18 years old and I've completed my class 12 from St. Edmund's Higher Secondary School in Shillong. And to pursue my career in medical, I am currently taking coaching at Messi in Imphal. In spite of being a NEET aspirant, I am very passionate about painting and singing, and yes, they are my hobbies. I want to become a successful woman, a woman who is dedicated, and a woman with integrity, a lady who is selfless and courageous. And I want to inspire others to become that kind of a person as well, to become that kind of a successful person. Thank you, and have a great evening.
Thank you, Miss Soni Wilson Asoya from Makhel Village, Senapati District.
Live your dreams is the one quote I follow all throughout my life. And I see this platform as one of the important stages in achieving my goal. Good evening, lovely judges, and to all the beautiful people out here. I am Ipewang Lepame, belongs to Jame community from Tamenglong district. I did my master in sociology from Manipur University and currently pursuing human rights and duties education in Manipur University. And I aspire to become an influential social worker. I'm a girl who loves to interact with people and exploring new things. I have two values in life, that is passion and perseverance. Passion in everything I do and perseverance in all aspects of life. As we celebrate this Barak festival, may this festival bring peace and prosperity among different communities. Thank you. Enjoy this beautiful evening.
Yes. Thank you to Ms. Ipewang Lei Pamay. She's also from Tamenglong district. Contestant number 10.
Hello, everyone. This is Mchang Liu Pamay, your contestant number 11, from Pilong to my headquarters, representing Langmai community. In my leisure time, I love making some creative items like handicrafts, and also I love interacting with people. Last but not least, I have life quote, that is, love your life and you can love the world. Thank you.
Thank you. That was contestant number 11, Miss Machang Lung Liu Pamay, also from Pingluang Village, Tamay.
Good evening, respected judges, ladies and gentlemen. Standing before you is your contestant number 12, Daisy. From Maiva village, I belong to the Pomai community and I'm 19 years of age. I'm currently pursuing my third year BSc Nursing at College of Nursing Medical Directorate, and I aspire to become a professional nurse. And I want to share a message with you all. That is, whenever a woman stands up, she stands up for all women and not just for herself. So, a strong woman is a woman with a voice. Thank you. Enjoy your evening.
Thank you. Contestant number 12, Miss LD Daisy from Maiba Village.
Good evening. To call woman a weaker sex is a label. It is man's injustice to woman. Good evening, everyone, and a warm welcome to everyone present here tonight. I hope everyone is having an exciting and a shivering evening just like me. I am A.R. Mathing. I'm 24 years young, and I have completed my master's. I love cooking, reading, writing, and working out sometimes. My parents are my biggest inspiration in life, as they have always motivated me to help others and add values in their life, which is why I take great pleasure in helping someone in need. I aim to uplift women in our society in terms of education, equal work wage, and job opportunities. Lastly, but not the least, keep smiling, because it never hurts a soul. Thank you.
Thank you. There was contestant number 13, Miss A.R. Mathing from Ukrul, Greenland.
A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and yes, to my esteemed judges. My name is Kaipila Lafti, and I belong to Maram tribe. Currently, I am staying in Delhi, and I have completed MA English in Delhi University. At present, I'm teaching as a school teacher. At the same time, I am a social activist, Women Affairs Secretary, Naga Student Union Delhi. When I'm not studying and working, I love to explore and learn new cultures. Tonight, I'm so proud to celebrate our cultures and identity. I am a proud Naga lady to know the identity and to find the proud reason behind what we do. There is an untold story behind every girl, and I want to inspire and voice for the voiceless. So everyone, let's move out and work for the better future tomorrow. Thank you so much. Have a great evening.
Thank you. Contestant number 14, Miss Kaipila Lafti Tainamai from Tumion Kulen Village, Senapati District.
Hello, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Janie Swantak. I am currently residing in Langol Housing Complex in Phal. I love traveling, interacting, meeting new people. and I am so much passionate about exploring life, experiencing new cultures and activities. And I am looking ahead my future journey as a successful woman. Thank you all. Have a wonderful night.
Thank you. That's contestant number 15, Miss Jenny Swantak from Langol, Imphal.
The beauty of the role lies in the diversity of its people. Good evening, Snapati, judges, and to all the ladies and gentlemen present here tonight. My name is Lily, bearing a contestant number 16, proudly representing Charahome Mao, and currently pursuing my BA final year at Asafur Christian Institute. Tonight, I stand here to join hands together to promote our confluence culture by bridge the gap between culture through communication, appreciate and respect the beauty of one's culture and Her Majesty's River, Barak. Thank you.
Thank you. Contestant number 16, Miss Lily from Sazauba Village, Senapati.
Women are like a monster, as our feelings and emotions are very strong. Good evening to all the ladies and gentlemen who are present here, and to you, my dear judges. I'm Adani Ujo of Mao community. I'm 19 years of age. Recently, I had appeared my BA 5th semester exam in DBC Maram. I always wish and pray to become a woman of dignity. Today, I stand here to live my dreams. Thank you.
Thank you. Contestant number 17, Miss A. Adani from Makhel Village, Senapati.
Good evening, Snavati. My name is Duvine, bearing contestant number 18. I'm from Suranamai village, belongs to Pumai tribe. Currently, I'm pursuing my first year BDS course at JN Medical School. Thank you.
Contestant number 18 is Dovine V from Saranamai village, Senapati. Next we have the final contestant of tonight's contest.
Charm is Charm is deceptive and beauty is fleeting, but the fear of the Lord. But a woman who fears is to be praised. K.H. Visana is my name. I'm representing Pumai. I have done my master in philosophy and I'm pursuing master in public administration. I love exploring new things and writing, and thus it has become my hobbies. I set my goal to become the best writer of the time, and I came and represent Pumai in this Barak, a festival in this beauty pageant, to bring unity and promote the culture that God has given to us. Therefore, I have a mission for a man, is to get a woman in the fear of the Lord, so that she will take care of the nature that God has given. Thank you.
Thank you. Contestant number 19, the final contestant of tonight's contest, meets K.S. Vasanai from Senapati district. Okay, thank you. That was the first round of the Miss Barak 2019. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yes? You loved it, right? Okay, there are more to come. There are loads more to come. So thank you for going through with us with the first round, the traditional round. So now, as we get ready for the casual round, I would like to invite the artists of Senapati district who they have sang Hingmi Nasi Aiko yesterday in the inaugural function, but they are not satisfied and they want to sing again because they feel the crowd is even better tonight. So let us welcome the Senapati artists to sing for us Hingmi Nasi Aiko. Come on. Guys.
Hello.
Let's check.
Hello.
Hello, check. Hello, check. Volume खराब ही होती check. Check. Hello, good evening, Senapati. Ngarang su asi say si sakrabane. Adobo, we are asked to sing the song once more because yesterday when we think the crowd was not too good, Senapati is a land of 5 tribes. Aduna lon mangagi ekhoi tungan ba maram mau pumai thangal jalangrong lon manga dagi ekhoi isai sakadawni aduna khundamina riba ekhoi mayam pulle herga isai si amta ekhoi unity song hingmina si haibigi isai si pulap ekhoi sarup yamina si haibisi ekhoi tarap tagi amasung barak NPO gi tarap tagi naluk chabani. Thank you. Hello, check. Sorry. Okay, everyone.
Hindi na si Aikon, hindi na si Aikon, hindi na si Aikon, hindi na si Aikon. Tại bang maling lại có gì đó, tại bang maling lại có gì đó. Lấy ra ngôi na sát đi na si, lấy ra ngôi na sát đi na si, lấy ra ngôi na sát đi na si, lấy ra ngôi na sát đi na si. Hindi na si Aikon, hindi na si Aikon. Hindi na si Aikon, hindi na si Aikon. Maringatok masili, mising gado tanganusi, bigirang mamatani, kekday haiba tanganusi. Hindi na si Aikon, hindi na si Aikon, hindi na si Aikon.
한보이나 군담이나 리바 거의 마람 트라이브 이번에 색적에
My hungering and joining, my hungering and joining, my hungering and joining, my hungering and joining. So dear for I long I do.
akoi maulon. Mathangda akoi bomai chananau gi lon da ko sangjage. Mathangda akoi hangal chananau gi lon da. Aroi bida akoi undamina riba jalang rong gi long da ko sangjagani. Anui anjang nunggo, anui anjang nunggo, anui anjang nunggo, anui anjang nunggo. Heroi mapolu keiga, heroi mapolu keiga. Mapaki anjang nunggo, mapaki anjang nunggo, mapaki anjang nunggo, mapaki anjang nunggo. Hindi nasi aikon, hindi nasi aikon, hindi nasi aikon, hindi nasi aikon. Hindi nasi aikon, hindi nasi aikon, hindi nasi. Let me nasi aikon. My hungry and joy day, sure are joy ita, ita ko sure like it. Ricardo kayamro, anui ang jamnungo, hindi nasi aikon. Thank you, thank you.
Hello, hello. You know, when such good songs are there at Impal, people are in the habit of giving money. I'm told that it's not here. But at least I would like to announce that to the organizers. I'll give 10,000. Please give 10,000 to them. So, such a beautiful song. These are the things, songs which will unite us. And I'm not surprised that this was the first best song here.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello. Thank you, the local artists, for performing us with the beautiful theme song, Hingminasi Aikoi. Hingminasi Aikoi is actually a song that has been composed like 20, 30 years back. It has been one of the songs that is like as easy as how it sounds, but also it's as touching as how it sounds. So thank you so much for performing this beautiful song. Now, next, as we wait for the casual round, we would like to present to you a fashion parade, all by the models of Senapati district. Guys and girls come together for this fashion parade. So, I would like to invite Senapati to please give a big round of applause in welcoming the Fashion Parade team. Come on. the person behind all these beautiful men and women standing on the stage, we have our own designer from Senapati district, Mr. Vilausa Movi. Let us welcome Mr. Vilausa, the designer behind all these beautiful models standing here, the dress designed by him. Mr. Vilausa Movi. He is the Best Designer Creativity Award Final Graduation Fashion Show. He is also the Best Designer Award Northeast India 2014. Representing FBB is Asian Fashion Week, and also the proprietor of Cutting Tailoring Center, Dimapur, Nagaland. Thank you so much, brother, for bringing us your talent with this fashion parade. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. All the male models are inspired by our very own judge. Let's give it up for Vilausa Movi and the team. Come on. Yes, let's bring back our energy from the beginning. Okay, now, as we go on to the casual round, I would like to invite a very special person. 2018 Barak Festival Gi, Miss Barak Oibi Kibi. Let us welcome the Miss Barak 2018, who will also be crowning the Queen of 2019, Miss Barak. Let us once again, with the biggest round of applause, welcome Miss Eloza Christian on the stage. Miss Eloza, yes. Miss Eloza was, and also the reigning queen of Miss Barak 2018. Yes. No problem. Yes. Miss Eloza, she was the queen of 2018 Miss Barak, and she's also here with us to be. She will be crowning the queen of Miss Barak 2019. So thank you so much for being with us, and we are really happy that the organizing committee are really happy, and whole Senapati is really happy to have you tonight. Thank you so much. And sorry. A little bit of coma. Okay, I would also like to give the microphone to herself to say a little word.
Hello, good evening, Senapati. How are you? Can I see your hands? Thank you so much. 2018 and 19, it has been a best year for me. And thank you so much, Senapati, for supporting me and helping me and love me in all through these years. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening.
Thank you, Miss Eloza. And we also have a small token of love and appreciation from the organizers. So I would like to invite one of the ushers to please come and do the honor. Miss Eloza, gidamak mayam na kubak ahaw makubise. Come on, Senapati, let us be more generous in clapping. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. A gentleman is coming to help you. Yes. Thank you. That was the Queen of 2018, Miss Barak. Now, mayam na kaurang do nangai ba the second round, the casual round. So now the time is open for the contestants for the second round, the casual round. I invite the contestants on the stage.
On a
2019 contestants of this year, this contest 2019. This is contestant number 1, Miss Laichambam Sapana Devi from Lamphel, Imphal. Her vital stats are 33-27. Her date of birth is 6/3/1998. 1998. She is a student, and her favorite food is kang soy. Her hobbies are dancing and singing. Contestant number 11, that's Miss Machanglung Liu Pamay from Tamay. Her vital stats are 34-26. She is also a student, and her favorite food is biryani. Next, we have contestant number 2 of the 2019 pageant, Miss Athisa Thangal from Ningtao Palm Village. Her vital stats are 33-28, and she's also a student by occupation, and she likes everything that is homemade. Her hobbies are singing and gardening. Next is contestant number 12. Her name is LD Daisy. She is from Maiba village. Her vital stats are 33-26. She is also a student, and her favorite food is, no wonder, it's momo. And her hobby is dancing. Next is contestant number 3, Miss Pokindin Liu Joy Namay from Tamay Tamenglong district. Her vital stats are 34-26. She is also a student, and she likes everything that is Naga. And her hobbies are singing, dancing, and gardening. Let the music keep going. Yes. Next is contestant number 13. Her name is A.R. Mathing. She is from Ukrul. Her vital stats are 34-36. She is a model by occupation, by profession. And her favorite food is anything that is cooked from home. And her hobbies are writing, playing ukulele, and also reading. Next is contestant number 4, Ning Hoi Ching Chong Loi. She's from Langol, Imphal. Her vital stats are 34-29. She is also a student. And her favorite food includes duck meat, beef, and her hobbies are dancing, playing basketball. She was the first runner of Miss Kut Chandel. Next is contestant number 14, Miss Kaipila Lafti Tainamai from Tumion Kulen village. Her height is 5.4. She is a social worker by profession. And her favorite food is, of course, Naga dishes. And her hobbies are dancing, singing, and reading books. She was also Miss Maram and also Miss Orange second runner-up. Next, we have contestant number 5, and her name is C.H. Modoya Chishete. She is from Rabunamai village. Her vital states are 28 and 26. She is also a student, and her favorite food includes beef and chicken curry. And her hobbies are singing, adventure, and also cooking. Next is contestant number 15, and her name is Jenny Swantak, and her vital states are 32, 34, and she is an explorer by profession, and her favorite food is also momo, and her hobbies are traveling and exploring new things. Next is contestant number 6. Her name is Preeti Inka, and her vital states are 34, 28. She is also a student, and her favorite food is chicken, and her hobbies include dancing, painting, and reading novels. Contestant number 16 is none other than Miss Lily. She is from Sazawa village. Her vital states are 30 and 26. Her profession is she's also a student, and she is also into Naga dishes, and her hobby is playing piano. Contestant Ling Hao Ning Thadao, contestant number 7 from Motbung village. Her vital stats are 34 and 32. She is also a student, and her hobbies include traveling, cooking, and exploring new things. Next, we have contestant number 17. She is A. Adani. Her vital stats are 32 and 28. She is also a student, and her favorite food is also momo, and her hobbies are singing and listening to music. Contestant number 8, Miss Ngosene Kiapomai. Her vital states are 34 and 29. She is a student, and her favorite food is chicken, and her hobbies include listening to music and also cooking. Contestant number 18, Miss Dovine V from Saranamai village. Her vital states are 34 and 28. She is also a student, and her favorite foods are chicken dishes and also ice cream. And her hobbies are singing, dancing, and listening to music. Next, contestant number 9, Miss Asoni Wilson Asoya. Vital stats is 36 and 29. Occupation, she is also a student. She likes desserts of all the foods, and her hobbies are painting and singing. Contestant number 19 is Ms. K.S. Vaishnai from Senapati district. Her vital states are 34 and 30. She is a student and she likes broccoli and spinach. And her hobbies are exploring and writing. And last but not the least, the final contestant for the casual round is contestant number 10, Ms. Ipe Wanglei Pamai from Tamenglong district. Her vital stats are 32 and 35. She is also a student and she likes anything that is a Naga dish. And her hobbies are interacting with people and exploring new things. And she was also the first runner-up of Miss Juliangrong. Thank you. That was the casual round. Yes, I hope everyone is alive to please do a little bit of clapping and show your enthusiasm for the contestants. They're cold, but they're still giving us a show that is worth watching. Yes, thank you so much. That was the casual round. Now, as we wait for the final round, I would like to invite one of the most talented artists of Senapati district, Miss Margaret Ngomai, on the stage. Miss Margaret, take your time.
Hello.
It could be love if we make it.
Thank you, Miss Margaret, for your beautiful song. We also have another artist who is not Margaret, but is Kani Ramai. So Kani Ramai will present for us a song called God-Fearing Woman, because it's all about a woman tonight, right? So all the people of Senapati, come on, let us give a big round of applause to welcome Miss Kani Ramai on the stage.
Lock up your husband, lock up your son, lock up your whiskey captains, girls, lock up your gun, lock up the beauty shop, no telling the hurt and you. All the ones downtown and even Pakistan, lock up them high shoes. God, spirit like a woman, got to do. There ain't no slap table telling what you're gonna do. Right around hell, I got much to you. You don't have to be my baby. I've served my last batch of breathing. You don't have to be mine. Be mine. Hey, baby. Hold all the big eyes, hold the ladies sing. Hold all the alto sopranos, hold everything. Hold all the alto sopranos, kinda hard to do. When God fearing like a woman got to do. There ain't no slap table telling what you're gonna do. Right around here, I got a Mustang. You know it, you don't have to be my baby. I've stirred my last batch of breathing. You don't have to be mine. Hey, baby. When God feels like a woman got the blues. There ain't no stop table telling what you gotta do. Run around yelling, I got a Mustang, you know it, you don't have to be my baby. I stirred my last batch of breathing. You don't have to be mine. Hey, baby.
Hello. Thank you. That was Miss Kani Ramai. Yes. Do I always have to tell you to clap? Yes, let us. Thank you, Miss Kani. Now, it's not only just about music and fashion parade tonight, but Senapati also has a lot of talent. So we have a very special talent who is a stand-up comedian. He's not known very much, but since the last Barak, he became very famous in Senapati, especially on YouTube. So he's from Mayangkang village. He's not married yet. He's little young and little old. If you deduct all the national holidays and state holidays, he's still 43 years old. Okay, so I hope you got the point right. Mr. Kuba the Great from Mayangkang village. Come on.
Hello. Isaisu trek thiva nangau tre. Ato na. Hosik mak na fly digi ay China digi fly digi hosik mak na lakpani nukoi Senapati district ki kano Barak festival yengi na lakpazani. Chính chọn chính quảng chính tình trường quảng hai bên đi nung đang ram quay ram là cái hen du ngao bị yami sáng chàng phiên đen còn chàng chọn chính xa cái dịch tăng hạt là bên đi bắc hang sinh si kachin đã mi utama jaga đã worship lâu rồi cả xa nó lộn là lấy hai bên đi sáng khi họ khang chạm hàng khoảng tiếng tộc tung chỉ tòng hai bên đi nếu khơi Barak festival sida sayam na chakraman le menam sinam thie hai bên sáng tiếng bọc tiếng chán không có tọc tiếng hai bên đi lấy sabi Senapati district lấy sabi phajaba mà tụi anh ngon the piro hai bên
Uza kuba nang nako cookie londa prayer to marak ta ninge he mana cookie londa mara prayer to begini he'll pray in cookie dialect do you can Pastor Kuba the great 43 years old, all the holidays, Christmas, Gumba, 15 August, Gumba, lo thok rdi maje 43 years nak tani. Nupi thi dri hojik phowa Sunday school student ni ko.
Hoi mani.
Prayer to bil.
Hai hojik Barak festival ki mak ta cookie londa prathana to batare. Hey pakai pathen nalung setna kabel albete chu. Hey, Heavenly Father, pakai pathen, nalung sin na, avelauch, ahoyle, kavelauch. Hey, pakai pathen, tom pakai, gui pakai, ting pakai, za pakai, katai pakai, kahang pakai, pelau no katelauchu, nalung sin na. Abe lauchu, abe se lauchu, ekute, abe le kalek, hong ke piktik chung, abe se na milong pala abote chu. Yare?
Thank you, Mr. Kuba the Great. Yam nok ning mani mayam ing migi kitang nok tok botan male. Thank you. It was really funny. It's just that somebody don't get it. Okay. Next, since the contestants are getting ready, we'll be inviting the trio, the three girls who has been singing for us tonight, Miss Kani, Miss Asim, and Miss Margaret, and they'll present for us a song that will bring us a little bit of Christmas feeling, because this song has been known by everyone, right? How many of you are waiting for Christmas? Yes? Okay, so let us welcome the trio to please present us a song called By the Rivers of Babylon.
Hello, hello. Hello, good evening, Snapti. The song which we're going to sing, it's a very common song, and I guess you all will know the song. It's By the Rivers of Babylon, and sing along with me.
Hello. Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
Rivers of Babylon, where we sat down. Yeah, we went when we remembered Zion. By the rivers of Babylon, where we sat down. Yeah, we went when we remembered Zion.
Thank you, Kane, Asim, and Margaret, for your beautiful rivers of Babylon. Okay, now let's come back to the rivers of Barak. Right? Okay, now the evening gown round. Asina, Aroiba round, Werini. After this round, we'll also be announcing the 5 subtitles. And right after the 5 subtitles, they'll also have another round of the top 10 and also the top 5 questions verbally and also in written. So let's wait for the final round. Are we ready for the final round? Yes? Senapati is still awake. Thank you. So let us welcome the contestants for the final evening gown round. Hello, Mr. Laksan Thangal, please report to the announcing booth once. Thank you. And I would like to request the lights to be off, to be fully off on the stage, because the choreography will be done according to that. I'll give you the signal for the lights. Please let the stage light be off for now. The lights. Thank you. Okay, let the lights be on.